Belgium cracks down on dirty data chains. Are your marketing leads clean? The Belgian DPA just exposed how relying on shady data brokers can land your business in hot GDPR trouble, even if you never collected the data yourself. On April 24, 2025, Belgium's Data Protection Authority, APD-GBA, issued a formal reprimand to a hearing aid retailer and its data supplier. The reason? They used personal data for direct mail marketing, without verifying whether that data was lawfully collected in the first place. Why does this matter to you as a DPO? Because if your marketing pipeline relies on third-party data, this case is your red flag. Here's what happened. The retailer, Controller 1, bought data from a media company, Controller 2, who got it from commercial brokers. That data was then used to send direct mail to potential customers, including the complainant. When the complainant asked for access and erasure, Controller 2 didn't respond. Instead, they just passed the request up the chain and never followed up. The DPA found multiple violations. Article 6(1)(f), Controller 1 failed to prove that its legitimate interest outweighed the data subject's rights. Article 5(1)(a), neither controller ensured lawful, fair processing. Articles 12 and 15, Controller 2 ignored the data subject's request. Article 24.1, controllers failed to demonstrate accountability. Even worse, both parties blindly trusted the assurances of the data brokers. But under GDPR, that's not enough. The DPA said, you must verify how the data was collected, what legal basis was used, and whether it can legally be reused for marketing. If your team uses third-party data, you must ask, who collected this data? Was it lawful at the point of collection? Can we legally reuse it for our purpose, like marketing? And remember, Article 15 obligations don't go away just because you think you're an intermediary. If you resell data, you're a controller, and you're on the hook. Want more DPO case breakdowns like this? Smash like, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got fresh GDPR lessons coming your way every week. Thanks for tuning in. We're here to help privacy professionals cut through legal fog, prevent real-world violations, and build marketing programs that don't backfire.